morning, my friends out there in YouTube land. Today, I have a topic. I am going to be talking about ATGATT. So I'm going to run that intro, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so ATGATT, all the gear all the time. I don't follow that. I follow SOGAT. Some of the gear all the time. So I wear full face helmet all the time. I wear gloves all the time. I wear boots most of the time. Now these are work boots I wear most of the time. I don't wear specific riding boots. I wear work boots. When I'm riding back and forth to work, I wear work pants. It's like a cotton blend, kind of like Dickies. So there's really not a whole lot of protection there. And you know, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, as you can see. Just a plain old sweatshirt, not Kevlar stitch, no padding, nothing. Just a regular sweatshirt. But this is how I dress when I ride. So I do have a leather jacket. Now, I've had the leather jacket for 20 years now. I got it when I got back into motorcycling. And yeah, over the last 20 years, I probably gained a pound or 30. So it doesn't really fit exactly perfectly. I kind of look like a stuffed sausage when I zip it up. Like, seriously. The wife laughed at me when she looked at me in it the one day. So I don't wear a motorcycle type jacket or whatnot. I have looked at mesh jackets and that kind of thing, but the way the motorcycle apparel manufacturers make their clothes, to me at least, it seems like they make them slim fit. Now, I've said before, and I'm going to say it again, I'm a fat guy. So slim fit really doesn't work out for me. I've seen some people recently post about this shirt they got, armored shirt, and it's awesome, blah blah blah. But it's a form-fitting shirt, and I got a lot of form to fit here. So it's really not gonna look good. All right. So I want to save everybody's eyes and not wear something like that. So it just seems like the stuff is geared more toward thinner people. So it kind of sucks. You know, if anybody knows of a motorcycle apparel or motorcycle safety apparel company that makes stuff for fat guys, please post that in the comments. I really would appreciate that. So yeah, I mean, I'm wearing a helmet, I'm wearing gloves. You know, at least it's something, right? Better than some people. I mean, most of the guys I ride with, you know, don't even wear helmets. So it's a plus, right? So let me know what you think about ATGATT, or in my case, SOGAT. I just made that up in case you were wondering. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Damn, look at that pothole. You want to comment? Please comment down below. And until my tongue-tied over here. And until next time, my friends, Stay safe and love one another. Peace. Got another red light on the end of the video. Alright, now I'm going to ride off into the sunrise behind me. Peace.